Nyamiadum. I mean, also yeah, head of transport. And I'm so Uber number took it when once you are here on time.
There be mommy 3 o'clock now.
Why are there?
Radio Juma is the time there.
Why are there? Why
I catch him cross him say about 4 o'clock and come here relax.
Yeah, Hanomono, a sweet tight. You shall say, Yan shall say, near shall say, 2 cry. Your own man as a parliament, so I was say, friends and parliamentarians, Nibi. It didn't come on a bed telegrams on Munabotre. Whenever I could penny because
motor kid,
when you see video. You yan share KMA transport to homes and 70 for now. The city center, Mofra Central Business District, and I think it comes under your jurisdiction. It made me say, and then I say, but I say, back came a pa, you know, when Upraka panas will be fucking me. More so I'm so one being so for any passes. I want something saying.
Yo, I want some day. More I think I crack at the Amay.
Opemsuo.
As an saying, call for energy. Illegal in your manoma home or yeah dear openo more than doing the right thing. Inti amano acquire a little difficult the amaye when it comes to Jumedia I was a to me no ubeshe na baby or why I allocate ama ubi se onjina na onfanye juma inse say ne car singing na be ko na acquire juma no ubonza car no ko station over Kumienua. The next moment, no Aquajinanche or now or yeah, Juma. Let me give you a typical example. A year Unibank, a war KJTR roundabout, just KJTR exit, ya Unibank, a war the opposite.
Okay.
A Hona, a Buakwa station, a Hona Santasi station.
I will be on for home.
When you are located a Boakwa, Santasi, and a couple of other places. Over this station, you will cross a car station. But instead of passengers in free KJT inside Dubai, or cross Saka, Africa, Obejina anywhere, no Africa. Or cross the station where Boakwa be 5 cities, 50 pesos, and 6 cities. Obejina anywhere, me 10 cities. We are no original minister or no complaining. Can I offer a number? Say I win him. I mean,
Oko complain
say or far can you could see no so and I 10 cities. Just imagine.
Abraham, you wore
the station. This week, yeah, small. Last week Friday, small exercise been TV and far room kakra. KJTR opposite and zoo. Nano, Nakasi wa o lodo of wasi. Me call Kano and Miss Amsa Moko Sabwasi. I'm say, na Hanam Fabwasika. And you did that day in a and our Fabwasika. Then I'm the year and your ma is a
lawless.
Just say, I
then a man who drive need me bejina or the audacity say me jina zoo down one allude yama passenger so say Baba Fruka.
No, I can't and my pavilion a first 2 slots or a call bossy. Very simple, but just KJT and any zoo dino or prefers original the illegal place. So therefore, Boaseka, you cannot imagine what you say and Pampaso, Esro, Santasi stations, and I see a boy near Ewo. See Acosta Pharmacy anymore, and that is where people prefer to come and just that short distance. Who could you not be a yesterday? The Atoa, and when you fuck hard that then you know. Rather, Robert prefers or Baby Gina Quinum, not the Abbey Fucker. A horse will be Ginawa, was you are boarding, was a cow short, was saying,
I don't know, so you know, please form one, MTTD form one.
Open MTTD for Webwa. But at the end of the day, you still find a car needing a while a loading. Every year, and a pandemic called GPIT, you know, a council meeting and may try a friend MTN store na war KGTMTN in room on. Me try around about in we are car see why the police in beach now. Me stopping and police and say, officer, what you know car in chain and now before I could say Jack, no mate have a manichi and him. And one of say you see you're better than you man man anymore. It's do baby I feel ya emotional kakra. Me also see me emotional. I want some casa and why de ba edu be a hard rain. Edu be a hard rain. And nipa no say ye allocation for places. Ya mistakes ba ko mienu bi in the past. And no na ma one or two situations we have. But at least ya bomodin year corrective measures. For instance, KJT and San Yebu Sin for net me for cars 1,200. Me meant to me and yes survey and fankin because equipment I hear I bit me the iron ye nibi.
Okay.
But contractor for about be jumano. Almost the drone. Different meaning the almost pick those pictures and almost pick pictures. They gave it to 5 different people. And no more kind. Casa na ejina wokejitia.
Okay.
Based
Some
on the
particular
time of the day.
Okay.
And to among the said there were about 1,200.
Okay.
And they were. So studio hey yakasi yebu. Yes, studio no for fra. Definitely we any say a situation ewaha. If sisi ampo say kase ya ho chire ewaha. Ye baby no ebe ye fe ebe ye kese ebe more functional. So na si abeto 1,200 na si ye CKJT awie na ye were only 108 slots me can be na 1,200 based on Omakasa survey you see we na be 108 and so we have less than 10% of original capacity provided for transport into cars now about 145 stations.
About 90% of that need
be jina bio. Engineer was a truck concept be a friend of the on street concept. Engineer was a day cars a bejina car kwan so na ye de adwuma. Na the reality and say wo nante akoba bi akọ enjoy service bi a wo hwe eboa esomo and now the ayenante no ere akọ.
Okay.
So just imagine say ye KJT stations in everywhere. Yeah, the tech station called Abinchi.
Okay.
Any race course. What be do our central market every? There was so corner faka. She distance are over nante. Every
aqua
Abinchi central market aqua Abinchi. And now aqua race course so faka. And she said, no person or so faka for. When you have faka for now, what they call no. Now you increase your cost amount. In the second place, enforcement officers I was almost blocking other cars from coming to town center. Now I'm blocking them because everybody comes in. We if you change a car, we were union car, we are our car, we are change. There's no indication as we speak. Enti obia ebabi. Enti car na buy we no. Me nipa ma toma me di me dwe or central market abi. Me pie be do animu ha car be pa tech. There is no way obeka say we your man papa. Enti obe nante akọ race course. No akọ fatek car be san akọ. Obe fu de gina animu na. You see the point. Enti enonum na e ma ye tro the on street concept no say Sadia stations are not a work KJT I am what permit. You am call race course see a passengers some call race course and car and I been chin car on ye more munya car quine so on street stations at the money buy no any a chair slots in the man will say any about atunsu wawa honey about take wawa and intisadi those wawa places in young farmer the legitimate operators any of them. Unfortunately, yes, shall say. Fortunately, yes, shall say. As the days went, now enforcement some air conform near day, and unfortunately yen to me nka say de bia ye ba be gina kurum agina stations no kon so ahwe say bibia nkoso it do be bia na ya be fam ahwe. Then some of the people started finding their way away from the stations. No aba be gina nchen wa no afa passengers ni bi no atumi awiem no de ko. And gradually aba be ye interesting to the extent that unions in the cars na was almost station no mo ye adwuma no. Ono ba gina obegina station wa say station car there ye twabo ato so e na ofa wa free had wa kosidwo so e na say 5 cedis enti saa no de saa no obeji na mo ni nua bi ono wi ano ho na so ogbo wa no ogina nim wa ofa ne 10
charge higher
10
enti aden was ono union car no
ado no kwa na ye patriotic Ghanaian enti gradually na ema interest no e ko the illegal aspect and na yen passengers no so onim se station ni me could na station e ye so sen kra ka beba aba be faye me pentem enti ene maka could na be bia e beji me 10 cedis obia economic se kwan wo ho a meji 10 cedis wa ha why say wo say me could na station wa na beji 4 cedis and 5 cedis and now it's coming out ye survey kitua bi the who yen say stations no ebedu awia 2 3 aircon na station executives na free station ho na afei aka mate for ne loading boys awon na say muda ho a station car na bakura na akogina nche ho na afei akopa ne 10 cedis woni say junkies no omo pa te omo kwa ne omo voice sika odebeto station na so no fair no odebeto so no eno na opon a yedema no olori wi a yedema no he's a human being
you know maybe a person escalate
into one pay Quebec say 20 Ghana
and also for
no akofo utia 20 Ghana na olori wi a ojini 20 Ghana because son of a pie me wan ke bia 3 cedis 50 pesos or so 5 cedis on for ajan and I will go and take it. But say ade a menu mienu yen konkogina eye 24 roundabout no yen kogina friend saying zoo dan no enye na yebekwa akogina station kan ne ba be gina bia illegal no na onya obi amfa no the best bet is obeba station no aba be fine or yes I be 2 or 3 times when your passenger ade che anya de obeba ho biu because onya passenger and then ebema omo tumi age fair na also oche no ebema ye fire free Unibank wa on fire nkosi Santase ran about on asan fire de akosantase no de ato aso Santase de akosi trade
me ba bibisa asem no with regards to tot na
you know about all ways of making more money of farm free trader nyina be do Santase no we jam agu no assign e chiko and fair now ojo from trader no the difference between eno and the odi obeba kejiti and be a 1 cedi
into ojo
so no assign the check of aba and in a shorter distance will make you a lot of money. You see obeyesa will punish but to what extent into encourage transport operators no say let's do yenye de emrano say yenye emrano say is a transport operator person or commercial transport service I was all join the union. O join the union I was all loaded from a station. Who loaded from a station I saw do destination indicator about car name a sticker. Say about car anymore. I was say fair na wojeno. Woje the fair ya agree say was oje. And then the woman was all funny party free ha. Wouldn't no see the end of the journey. These are all laws. LI 2180 Road Traffic Act enti was say samra no eye adwuma now if you say freedom of association it won't join the union then you don't have to provide commercial transport service because anye saa na emra wo ho a e was say bow dwumedi a wodie no ban no wo ma emra no nya adwuma wo moa ma yentumi mmɔ ho ban said de wo siesi e bɔ ho ban wo ma dwumedi a wodi as commercial transport operator and kwaso and then also yes a unions no and identify cars na yenhu say we car we akoi prot waka eye adwuma free edum ekọ barekese okay echi eno no nam kwan so na oba enforcement officer hu na hu so oh we a legitimate car otumi ba krom be fa passengers such cars no I'm telling you there is no way obi filling station ho no akwa gina illegal place so okofa passengers they hardly do that and our bible do station and yan no ni 10 or the be loading obekwa akogina ba bia ye ama omo say ye omo holding area e dey atwen e do ni 10 na your friend no obeba ba be fa passengers no de omako but the only station ni bi na so obo wa no odu krom no see passengers na e was a car kwan ni ntem efinfi wana of a passenger no de because only any legal place or the ekofa and wa car any station car ni nyina the same thing but if there's an identification and I be also way say in the city am so ye bibi kra na to me abon hu kakra amanaye ya try say yes RDA a number of years ya could do baby na no bi dia ye ya kra do 60% ya ha nya frey ya say pani bi si nya ye na Emma bandi on popular yes so ka adwumadi aye popular ni unpopular bi anim me adwuma mi ye ene sisi NDC ne wa bam enti ahwe amere me ho ya me ya MPP ni MPP wa bam no me yere me ho ya me adwuma me ya NDC enti efrem wa brown si to aso no question no bo modern ase wo bisa me answer na be bank atwam dada me enti me to answer me kan so
the whole thing is say my whole thing is
penny kwan dey kan an say penny bi si nyai
and amonso mu jai
now
who penny kwan da wo jai den
na nka penny kwan me kwa hwe no ena no me feel a little stubborn kakra e wo me readiem because my mama swaye my mom
no usru
kakra but see baby edu ni ehun se Ghana do baby we need a little bit of radicalism ema etumi anya results ya me ani anya din won no ma bia ye ho a we will never have results me mayor ebaye okoka o radio so betwa aba ni ho ahwan that was what everybody was talking about sisi a wo hwe kroma at least pavement car kwan so aye free ema yetumi cover with ease but what is we twa obi aba but the mere fact that he mentioned that there's a feeling of radicalism nipa ne to no when the team say and it looks as if say
is it what developed thick skin
maybe ebi a encha na ma pension ntina ema means rubio because share obi tie me presentations I don't know whether me call international conferences ba ku mienu bi a presentation an organization in Germany afa the presentation am here no a develop a system e dey be boy me around public transport in Ghana.
That's good.
Me ye de ko edu ba bia me am transport operators ni bi say me yenam de akogiska wa abrochiri ade e be bo no dwumadi wa anti okay fan say me ye kra e de akogiska enti bi de wanum ko me de ba wi ja
na wo de na boa no so
boa be boa no no what I say and you see most of these unions there were 24 of them in Kumasi 24 transport unions if you are membership oni bi enti why you want say
apart from 24 unions no bo ma on ka bia
24 no unions na 24
okay.
When we say a union a group association okay enti association yemfa nipa ba ko na association
yeah
yes oni sa nipa no enti wo ka so wo build database o nya bi mfama enti kwan bi ofa so obetwitwa am na enti no
wasu wo ye union ba woni nipa na mo management compose o ye union
me nya ko mo de o list of members no ebebreo any of station so obetwitwa am na enti
when so wo union
you get
because come to think of it your GPL to your pro tour
cooperative concern commercial professional transport redeemer prime 24
hey
and we actually be no so so you can just imagine it's here why yes association of Opemsuo now we peja beti na uko meanwhile we need staff back okra that is the situation enti saa no
because how can one person be a
yes case radio stations in and build on database because we won't need panity you will never accept for it to be done, and that is a problem I facing.
And why should that person sabotage more process and more yeah
because only more penny chain.
How
you going to young kind of transport system. Other than that, my frustrations I may go through Ebema discussions.
It's drawing even on your face. You can say
Ebema my emotional.
Yeah, you
know your voice. No, my wife because my emotional. And these are the problems. But just imagine saying, "I walk Kumasi. Na yetumi aye correct idea. Na ma ye ho atoyin. Yes, KJT ye stickers de my cars." And then the bomb car into would do confirm about now was taken we are no trim back confirm anymore. No about far passengers now they call one more from Tech Railway Police Station or from a Dunkirk side, from all the places we did that. And we had very wonderful way of running transport. And let's do just the same thing. Now you was a way a year. Cars are union. Ama se bibini near say within this radius when needs to Canibia don't enter. She said the crown fin ebesiaye. Now the unions are complaining. Say duplication of enemy called GPRTU. One of their members would miss original Hawker Sama and Pennyfo Horn may answer me responses no. A do baby no more said the MC corner. And almost stop me because suddenly may pick responses neighbor edu year could do as seven so now emotion yaba. I mean obedient car echo wajina baby or lodi takwa. Then you are attributing the panel meti studio here obi ekojina pampas na or lodi takwa was around the walls and there. And wujina media
oh car said
me na me lodi
oh car
ebiana wo bi me wo be 200 other than that
na wuni ba kokra
me nim station cross so sorry I mean or steals the mommy abeka sa asem we hada says so mutumi ka at a point no me stations near 20 and I'm say so mutumi bought 10 din I will resign me te so ba 5 me the buyer be do 1 somebody should name just one station in Kumasi here year and the walls and there and I will resign. And I'm that's the team adwuma me.
Me I wife can but me boss so relax and me know